Hey, it's Steve from Flowmaster. Today I'm happy to introduce our new Delta Force cold air intake for the 2015 and newer Ford F-150s equipped with the 2.7 liter and the 3.5 liter Ecoboost motors. But please check our website for more details. Now these new Delta Force cold air intakes have a black powder coated heat shield, reinforced silicone couplers, all stainless steel hardware, and all systems feature an ultra trick looking durable cross-linked polyethylene intake tube with a nice Flowmaster logo right in the center. Along with the large high flow conical shaped filter, it's an 8-layer cotton gauze air filter ensuring that it will trap more dust and dirt particles than your typical 6-layer filter. These are 100% direct bolt on to the vehicle, and they're backed up by a lifetime limited warranty protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. Now the tools for the job are a pair of scissors, 7mm nut driver, 5/16 nut driver, and a 5/32 Allen key. All Flowmaster products are dyno tuned during the development phases for maximum power gains and efficiency. How about you? But I'm ready to get this installed in this Ford F-150 here. Okay, today we're in the shop. We got a 2016 Ford F-150 with a 3.5 liter Ecoboost motor. We're gonna get ready to remove that stock airbox system and put on the new Delta Force cold air intake. So let's get started. Okay, we got 3 clamps, so we need to go ahead and loosen up. There's one right here, number 2 is right here, and number 3. Then we're going to go ahead and remove the sensor, and then we're going to unclip just this top lid only, and then this whole assembly will come right out. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and remove the sensor right here. We're going to turn about a quarter turn towards the driver's fender and pull it right out. Okay, next you want to go ahead and remove this O-ring. We're not going to use it on the sensor. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and unclip the top of the airbox. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and disconnect it right here and here. And then we're just going to rotate it a little bit. That's why I left this clamp loose. And we'll pick this up and take it out as one unit. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and remove the filter. Okay, we got our Delta Force cold air intake laid out on the table with our necessary tools. We're going to go ahead and start off with the heat shield here. And we're going to go ahead and put the air filter adapter on the inside of the heat shield. We're going to light up the 3 holes. And we're going to go ahead and put an Allen bolt with a lock washer and a flat washer. And go ahead and start these. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the heat shield gasket. Now this may come in excess length, so you may need to trim it to fit your heat shield. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the adhesive trim. And this comes in excess length, so you may need to cut it to fit your heat shield. So we're going to go ahead and take the heat shield. We're going to flip it upside down. Then we're going to go ahead and put a strip right here, another one, and then the final one right there. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on one of the reinforced silicone couplers. We're going to go ahead and start with this big one here. We're going to go ahead and push it onto the air filter adapter. And we're just going to snug it up so we can allow it for some adjustment later on once it's in the vehicle. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put the intake tube onto the heat shield here. We'll just get it started. And again, we're going to go ahead and leave this loose. We have some final adjustment once it's in the vehicle. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and put on the other big coupler onto the intake tube here. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the smaller coupler. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the new air filter. And we're going to go ahead and flip this upside down. Okay, the last piece we're gonna go ahead and put on is the grommet for the sensor. So again, we're gonna flip this upside down. Just push it into the intake tube. Okay, we got our Delta Force cooler intake fully assembled. We left all the clamps loose, so we allow for some final adjustment once we go ready to install this. So let's go put it in the vehicle. Okay, first we'll go ahead and put the air filter and the heat shield in place. So it hinges in the back, and then just drops straight down. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and snap it in. Okay, with our clamps loose, we're gonna go ahead and rotate the intake tube now, since we got the heat shield securely down. So we'll go ahead and put it in the bottom here first. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put this intake tube on. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and tighten down on the clamps, all on the intake tube side. Okay, we tightened down the clamps onto the intake tube side and went ahead and checked the rest of the clamps. So this is nice and tight now. Okay, we're going to reinstall the sensor. We're going to put it through the grommet. Okay, that concludes the installation here on our new Delta Force cooler intake for the 2015 and newer Ford EcoBoost with a 3.5 liter and the 2.7 liter. Now the installation time of this was roughly about 30 to 45 minutes. I hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.